What is up guys, Dan at this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to send emails automatically with Google Forms. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in drive.google.com or you can type Google Drive. In both the cases, you will be redirected to the Google Drive. Now after coming here on the left side, click on New and after that hover down to Google Forms, click on it once and from here now you can create your new form. Simply name this form. I will name it the demo form 1 and after that the form name has been appeared here as the title and this is the form description. Just simply add a description and then you can add a question. After adding a question and all, when you are done, click on settings. After clicking on settings, go to responses and then here you can see the option of collect email addresses. Click on it and then click on correct only verified or correct only on responder input. You can choose anyone from these according to your requirements. The responder input will collect the email of the responder and then the verified email address will collect only the verified email addresses. And after that, you can send the responders a copy of their response. You can set it to when they request or always. I will just go with always and then allow response editing. You can even turn this on to allow the response editing. And then here under the presentation section, you can manage how the form and the responses are presented, and you can change these settings according to your requirements. So this is how you can send emails automatically with Google Forms. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.